Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Reading Mastery Lesson 39. All right, we're going to go over our new sound again. My turn first. My turn again. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Very good. Let's do it together. Get ready. Good job with your new sound. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to go over some sounds. My turn first. E, Your turn. Get ready. 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 Good job. This page is blank. We're going to practice saying a word slowly and then saying it fast. Listen. Add. Listen again. Add. Say it fast. Yes. Add. Listen. Seed. Listen again. Seed. Say it fast. Yes. Seed. Let's try those again. Listen. Add. Again. Add. Say it fast. Yes. Add. Listen. Seed. Again. Listen. Seed. Say it fast. Yes. Seed. Very good. Okay, first you're going to tell me the sounds without making a mistake. Then we'll play the cross out game. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. A frog. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. D. Get ready. Yes. Okay, now it's your turn to tell me the sounds. If you get the sounds correct, I'll cross them out. Get ready? Yes. Say goodbye. Get ready? Yes. Say goodbye. Get ready? Yes. Say goodbye. Get ready? Yes. A frog. Goodbye, frog. Get ready? Yes. Say goodbye. Get ready. Yes. Say goodbye. Get ready. Yes. D. Say goodbye. D. Get ready. Yes. Say goodbye. You did a very good job on the cross-out game. Now we are going to rhyme with add. The red part of these words is the same, so these words rhyme. I want you to sound it out. Get ready. Yes. Add. Let's sound it out again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Add. What sound are you going to say first? Yes. S. Then you're going to say add. Remember, you'll say s. Then you'll say add. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Sad. Sad rhymes with add. So our next word. What sound are you going to say first? Yes. Then you're going to say add. Listen. Add. What sound are you going to say first? Then what will you say? Very good. Say it fast. Yes. Mad. Mad rhymes with add. Okay, boys and girls, after you read the next word, I'll show you a picture. You're going to read this word. First, you'll sound it out, and then you'll say it fast. What sound are you going to say first? Get ready? Yes. S. What sound are you going to say next? Yes. E. What sound are you going to say next? Yes. E. Sound it out again. Get ready. Again, let's do it together. C. Say it fast. Yes, C. You just read the word C. Very good. Now I will show you the picture. The girl in the picture will be saying, "Look what I..." Yes, see. What does the girl see? Yes, a fire truck. Can you see it too? You've read this word before. I'll move down the arrow and stop under the sounds, but don't say the sounds out loud. Just figure them out in your head, and then you will say it fast. Get ready to sound it out. Get ready? Sound it out again. Get ready? Say it fast. Yes, sad. He looks sad. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with this word. You've seen this word before, so you're going to sound it out in your head, and then we'll say it fast. Sound it out. Get ready. Sound it out again. Get ready. What word? Yes, feed. Let's sound it out together. Feed. What word? Yes, feed. Who likes to feed a baby? Again, we're going to sound it out in our head and then say it fast. Get ready. Sound it out again. Get ready. What word? Yes, seed. Sound it out with me. Seed. What word? Yes, seed. A flower grows from a seed. Great job. Here's your worksheet for lesson 39. Remember, at the top, we're going to sound this out. Get ready. Sound it out again. Get ready. Yes. What word? Yes. Am. Now, on this section, we're going to find the matching sounds. Remember to draw a nice straight line so that we can see where your sounds are matching up. In this section, what sound will you be crossing out? Get ready? Yes. Are you going to cross out this sound? No, we're not going to cross out the s. We're crossing out. At the bottom, on the big black circle, you're going to trace the dotted line and see what is in this picture. All right, turn your paper over. All right, on the back, you are going to trace your sounds. What sound are you going to trace first? Yes. Remember, try to be as neat as you can and stay on the dotted line when you're tracing your sounds. Don't forget to trace here, and here, here, and here for every one of your sounds. What sound are you tracing down here? Yes. On the bottom section, you have a sound that matches with the picture. What sound matches with the truck? Yes. E. What sound matches with the tree? Yes. S. So in the box, you need to make sure you put the S sound. What sound matches with the ball? Yes. E. What sound matches with the bird? Yes. D. Don't forget to make them very neat and put the sound inside the box to match the picture. When you're done, you may color the pictures. Woohoo! You finished Reading Mastery Lesson 39. Way to go, boys and girls.